My name's Jade, welcome to my channel. If you're new or if you are returning to my channel, then welcome back. So today we have another unboxing video. I have been kindly sent the Closer Beauty Treats Glossybox limited edition, so I'm going to be unboxing this and showing you guys what's inside. I actually don't know what is in this box. I'm so excited to be opening this box. I actually was going to purchase this myself, which I didn't know I was going to be getting, so that was a surprise. So before we do get into today's video, guys, if you do like my videos and you want to stick around, make sure that you subscribe to the channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell, because then every time I do upload you will be notified when a video goes live. And if you do like this video, then make sure that you do give it a huge thumbs up. I am slowly getting back into filming again, and I'm going to be doing it like one video a week at the moment, and then I'll probably go back up to like 2 a week. So yeah, so let's open the Glossybox Closer Beauty Treats box. The unlimited editions, I don't think I've had a limited edition Glossybox before. You do get slightly more products and they are more expensive. So the Glossybox Closer in it, so it's limited edition, so it's £35 and there is 10 products in here, I believe it said. 10 products. Let me have a look. Product description. So it just says, introducing Closer's collaboration with Glossybox, designed to spoil you rotten, just as you deserve. In this box you'll receive 10 pampering pick-me-ups. Each product has been hand-picked to slip straight into your beauty routine with a delicious mix of wrinkle-busting skincare, nourishing top-to-toe treats and refreshing makeup swaps you'll love to wear daily. So this box is worth £190, so that's massive. That is such a good value box for £35. So we're going to unbox it, guys, and we're going to see what's inside, and I'm so excited. Literally, I look forward to doing these videos every month. There's some really good things in here and I'm so excited. This is what we like to see, a big full box full of just really nice things. Let's have a look and see what we have. So the first thing, I'm going to go with this one. So we have from a brand called Nanogen. This is a Roost oh my god, a Root Boost hair thickening spray. So this is full size product. Is everything full size? Everything is full size apart from one, which is a deluxe mini, I believe. So every product in here is full size apart from one. So yeah, full size product. This is a Root Boost hair thickening spray. Transform limp I can't bloody speak, put my teeth in. Transform limp, lifeless hair with this thickening spray enriched with lifting polymers, natural sea salt and caffeine. This product delivers instant volume from root to tip. Ingredients also care and nourish the scalp, as well as repair cuticles and protect hair from heat damage. Oh, lovely. I love stuff like this. I never ever used to put anything on my hair. Like, I would never put any heat protective stuff, nothing like that, no serums. Only until like, I think maybe last year, the year before, I started doing it, because obviously my hair, I have it bleached a lot and I use a lot of heat in it, and it just gets so dry and, you know, like very lifeless and stuff like that. So I have been trying to use lots of different products in my hair, so I'm excited to use this. I think I've used one like root spray before. Exciting. So this retails for £9.95 and you can get it on their website. So yeah, brand called Nanogen. Again, love this sort of thing that you get things from brands that you've never heard of before, so I'm excited for that. So this next one, guys, I'm so excited to try. I've actually had a couple of mascaras recently that I've been like trending on TikTok and stuff that are like really good, and this is one of them. So happy that this is in this box because I've been wanting to try it. So this is the L'Oreal Paris Air Volume Mega Mascara. This is £10.99. Obviously it's a full-size product. So it says L'Oreal Paris Air Volume Mega Mascara will take your lashes to new heights with mega volume. This game-changing whipped texture promises up to a 24-hour smudge-proof resistant hold. Your lashes are sure to be left feeling supple and light as air. Now, that's one thing I always look for in a mascara. It's smudge proof. Sometimes when you get mascara and you put several coats on, I don't know about you, but I always literally like layer, and then all the mascara like residue will just like break off and you get like crumbles onto your like your makeup or your face. I hate that. So this claims it's like smudge proof and stuff like that, it's going to hold, so we'll see. So yeah, I'm excited to try that. Then next we have a face and body sponge. really nice. This is a full-size product. So this is the Sunday Rain Face and Body Sponge. If you're the kind of person who loves a home spa treatment, you'll love this face and body sponge. Run yourself a relaxing bath and use this silicone sponge to gently exfoliate and remove impurities from your skin. Your skin will be healthy looking and glowing in no time. So this is £4.50. This actually ooh, look at that. So that's so strange. Look at that. That's so cute. So it's a little exfoliating sponge and you're just going to use it on your face and your body. Ooh. Oh yeah, there's a sponge inside it, must get. So it just says to wet, rinse and squeeze, allow to air dry naturally, regularly clean your sponge with hot water. Okay, so yeah, easy as that. You just wet it and then obviously the sponge is inside. So exciting. Love stuff like this, little cute things, and plus it's travel friendly, size friendly, so you can take it anywhere. So yeah, we have that, the face and body sponge. Okay, so the next we have from a brand that I've never heard of before, Jade Black. We have some glow drops. So this is the glow drops primer. Prep and brighten your complexion with this Glow Drops Primer. Simply apply all over your face using your fingertips before applying your makeup base. Not wearing makeup, this primer can also be worn alone for naturally growing natural glowing finish. This is £16. It's vegan friendly, it's cruelty free. It's rose pearl colour, so it's more like a pinky colour, rosy colour. Let's have a little look. Let's put the box there. Let's have a little look and see. I love, oh, it's got a little seal. You know, I'm big on smells, so I knew that was going to happen. Why did I just do it? I literally hardly just squeezed the tube. Look how much just came out. But anyway, doesn't smell of anything, but it's like, oh. So yeah, they're like, just like highlighting drops, but instead of it being in a, with a droplet, it's in a tube, in a squeezy tube. Really, really nice. I like the look of that. But I like the colour. That's something I would definitely go for. So yeah, they look really nice, glow drops. I will be trying those. Next up, we have some coffee scrub. This is by a brand called Mine Tan. So this is a coffee body scrub. For a softer, smoother, more luminous skin, add this coffee scrub to your shower routine, enriched with ultra hydrating sweet almond and macadamia oils. This scrub gently smooths skin, targeting imperfections such as dry, flaky skin, which is what I have so much. So this would be amazing. Uneven skin tone and breakouts. So it's $9.95 and it's a full size. Amazing. I love a good body scrub. Who doesn't love a good body scrub? Have a little scrub in the shower. So that looks really nice. Definitely be trying that. It's literally like everything in this box, just like it says. The closer box, beauty box, is designed to spoil you rotten. Designed to spoil you rotten. Enclosed, you'll find 10 pampering pick-me-ups. These are definitely little pampering pick-me-ups, I have to say. Next, we have a brush, a makeup brush. So this is by a brand called Looksy Beauty. It does say on here, on my little leaflet, it just say it's a 209 Lad shader brush, but I've actually got the 524 small duo fibre, so I'm guessing, I think you must get like a lucky dip sort of thing, so people will get a different brush. Love a duo fibre brush. So I love a duo fibre brush. Looks so soft, really, really nice. You could use this to use the highlighting drops on your face, to put those on. You could use it to for your moisturizer, primer, your foundation. You can't go wrong with a buffing brush, a duo fibre brush. So yeah, how much is this? So it does say £9, but I don't know if that's actually the price of it, because it's telling me this is the large shader brush, which is actually not in there. So yeah, you can definitely use this for liquid concealer. You can use this for liquid foundation. Maybe you could use it for like bronzer as well. So that's really nice. I'm happy with that one. I really like that. So there's a mixture of everything in here, so there's definitely lots for someone. I love that there's more products in these boxes. These are so nice. So the next product we have is by a brand called Able Skincare. We have a moisturizer. This is the Prestige Anti-Aging Retexturing and Resurfacing Duo Moisturizer. Harbouring signature ingredients, this anti-aging retexturing and resurfacing moisturizer is the perfect skincare solution, formulated with Skincare Drone, the most advanced delivery system for active ingredients, and infused with shea butter and cottonseed oil. Ooh. Your complexion will boast an intensely hydrated and youthful and feel. Guys, do you want to know how much this costs? This is bougie, this. This is £104 and it's a full-size product. How many mils is it? It's 50 mil, £104. I've never heard of Able Skincare before, but I'm guessing it's more of a bougie brand. I'm just going to squirt this on the back of my hand. I want to have a feel this. I want to have a feel this £104 moisturiser. Is it going to get rid of... Oh, that smells beautiful. That it smells like just a nice gorgeous bubble bath, like lavender. No, not lavender, it's like the shea butter. Oh yeah, you can definitely smell the shea butter. Oh yeah, that feels really nice. Ooh, lovely. Right, I'm going to be trying that out. I'm excited. £104. Amazing, amazing. Then we've got, how many products we've got left? We have 3. Okay, so next up we have this by Nails Inc. So this is a foot mask. This is the Thirsty Feet Deep Moisture Foot Mask. Love a foot mask. You can't go wrong with these. I used to wear these all the time, but like I've not done one for a while. So this is £5 and it's a quick step to silky smooth feet. The Thirsty Feet Foot Mask is the perfect remedy to quench dry, tired skin. Oh, my feet just like, you know, powered by a blend of green tea, ginkgo leaf extract, sweet almond and peppermint extracts for instant rejuvenating results in only 15 to 20 minutes. Lovely. So yeah, we have a foot mask. And next up, guys, we have Lord & Berry. Love Lord & Berry. It's literally one of my favourite brands and we get these quite a lot in the Glossybox and I'm never disappointed. So I really like Lord & Berry. So this is the Matte Crayon Lipstick. This is £15 and it's like a pink shade. I'm just going to swatch it so that you can guys see. I don't know. I'm guessing everyone will get the same colour or maybe people will get a different colour. This is called the shade Without Shame and that's actually a really gorgeous pinky shade. Perfect for spring, summer coming up. So lovely. Made with smoothing emollients for a comfortable feel. It definitely glided on really nice. It was really, really nice. Oh, liner meets lipstick. Oh, that's really good. Liner meets lipstick delivers brilliant matte colour to your palette in a stunning shade Without Shame. Your lips will have never felt so soft and smooth. It's actually really, really nice and soft to like apply. And do you know what? It blends out really well. So you could actually use this as like a blush as well. Gorgeous colour. So the next product we have is by Ciate London. So this is a mini size, a mini version. This is the Watermelon Burst Lip Oil. Now I've never tried a lip oil. Lots of brands are coming out with lip oils and you know, they're really big at the moment. So I'm really excited to try that. I'm just going to apply that onto my hand. I want to just feel if it's like sticky or not. Oh yeah, it smells like watermelon. That smells so good. Is it sticky? Not really. Feels really nice though. This would be perfect to like, I love to put like a lip balm on my lips before I go to bed because my lips are so dry all the time. So this would be perfect. So the Deluxe Mini, which is a 5ml, which is this, is £7, worth £7, and then you can get the full size 10ml for £14. Hydrate and smooth lips that are in need of a little extra TLC, which is me all the time because my lips are just always dry, always dry. Infused with watermelon extract and formulated with a unique blend of avocado and jojoba oils, this hybrid formula combines the hydration of a balm and the shine of a gloss. Amazing. Love that, guys. So yeah, lovely. Smells really, really nice. Smells absolutely gorgeous. So yeah, I love stuff like this, and be putting this on before I go to bed so I can soak into my lips while I'm sleeping, and I'll wake up with really nice, soft lips. So that was everything in the Glossybox and Closer limited edition box for this month. So if you want to get your hands on this, it's £35. I think it's still available to buy. So when you sign up to be a Glossybox subscriber, guys, you become part of the Glossy squad and you receive so many perks. So you'll receive priority access and exclusive discounts on the limited edition boxes. So you could grab your hands on this limited edition box for a discounted price, which is just fantastic. So it is £35. So you have the opportunity to fill out surveys and leave product reviews as well. And you can earn yourself Glossy credits to use on lookfantastic.com and get access to discounts on a wide range of beauty, fashion and lifestyle brands in the Glossy Lounge, which is just amazing. So yeah, I'm not sure if you can use my discount code on the limited editions, but I will leave it in the description box as always, guys, so you can go and check that out. But if you did enjoy this video, make sure that you do give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye guys!